again, Andy here, and we're about to take the first step in building our chair-stair project. So this is the plywood. This plywood is going to be the sides of each of these elements. We've got the ladder section and the chair section. When you flip the chair over, you become full step ladder. Clever little project. I borrowed it from Popular Mechanics. Made a few changes to make it fit my particular application. Now I'm going to put in my thumb drive. I'm going to switch to my horizontal program screen, open this file, and I've got my maple ply set up. I'm setting the origin on the bottom. It's going to get noisy now, so I'm just going to be quiet, step out of the way, and let you watch this machine cut up the first part. Okay, let's have a look at the chair back, the chair side. I left some tabs that are going to hold this piece in place while we cut it. There's two small tabs in there. I used a large bit to pre-cut this and then a small finish bit to do the edges. That way I didn't have any small chunks that were going to fly out or cause a problem. Did the same with all these other smaller holes. So rough cut with a 3/8 bit, finish with a 1/4 inch bit so I get nice tight corners in these small areas. Then I have these isolock joints that are going to be used to connect my step parts. Okay. Well, that step's done. Now we just got to build some steps, dry fit it all, and then if we're all good, we'll come back and make the other 3 chair stairs.